Welcome to a global culinary journey where we explore the most unique and intriguing desserts from around the world. Join us as we discover delicious treats that challenge traditional notions of what a dessert should be. Many of these unique desserts have roots in local ingredients and cultural practices. Each dessert tells a story, reflecting the history and heritage of the region from which it originates. We'll explore the fascinating stories behind these desserts, understanding their cultural significance and the techniques that make them special. We'll begin our journey in the heart of Asia, discovering the delicate and intricate flavors of Japanese wagashi. Wagashi are traditional Japanese sweets that are a key part of Japanese culture and daily life. Wagashi originated in Japan during Nara period. They are made from natural ingredients like rice flour, sweet beans, agar, and seasonal fruits. These treats are celebrated for their delicate flavors, artistic designs, and symbolic meanings. Next, we venture to South America, where the vibrant colors and bold flavors of Peruvian picarones, a type of sweet fritter, will tantalize your taste buds. The secret ingredient that gives Peruvian picarones their distinct flavor is squash, or zapallo, often combined with sweet potato or camote. These ingredients lend a unique sweetness and earthy depth to the dough. Peruvian picarones are said to have originated in Lima during the Viceroyalty period. In Africa, we encounter the sweet and satisfying flavors of Tanzanian mandazi, a popular street food offering a delightful blend of spice and sweetness. Mandazi is believed to have been introduced to East Africa by Indian traders, but it has become a popular treat in Tanzania and surrounding countries. Tanzanian mandazi is less sweet than donuts and is flavored with cardamom or coconut, giving it a unique taste. In the Caribbean, we'll explore the sugar cake, a traditional sweet treat enjoyed across the Caribbean, particularly in countries like Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados, and Grenada. It's a simple yet flavorful confection made primarily from grated coconut sugar and spices. Its origins are tied to the Caribbean's sugarcane industry, which was introduced during colonial times. Caribbean sugar cake is unique for its chewy texture, coconut flavor, vibrant colors, and local ingredients. Hope you're enjoying the desserts so far. Guys, do you know you can book your travel to these destinations and pay with cryptos using Travala? You can also book with Expedia. Check the links below. We'll continue our journey to the United States, where we'll explore the rich history and unique flavors of the Buckeyes dessert. Buckeyes are unique for their combination of creamy peanut butter centers coated in chocolate resembling Buckeye nuts. Buckeyes originated in Ohio, named after the state's Buckeye tree. The candy was inspired by the tree's nut-like appearance. We'll conclude our global tour in India, where the vibrant and fragrant flavors of gulab jamun, a sweet milk dumpling soaked in sugar syrup, will leave you wanting more. The name literally translates to rosewater berry. Gulab means rosewater, and jamun refers to a deep purple berry of similar size and color. Gulab jamun originated in India, influenced by Persian sweets, and became a popular dessert across South Asia. This culinary adventure is about more than just desserts. It's about celebrating the diversity of global cuisine. These desserts offer a window into different cultures, their traditions, and their approach to food. As we explore these unique culinary experiences, we gain a deeper appreciation for the artistry and passion that goes into creating such incredible treats. Hey, which were your favorite desserts? Guys, if you find this video interesting, please like, share, comment, and subscribe.